The nice 圆记圆饺啊。Can you see the stuff doing the dumplings here? Okay, lots of clinics. LC Clinic 446 Avenue 3, and guess what? There's a mama shop in front. Oh, Raffles Medical. I think I saw a Singapore Pools in the corner. Right here. Wow. The blue one. You know, many people they watch the Diane dance and just get a lucky number to try their luck. Shanghai pan fried buns and a hot pot BBQ. Right here. We are about to enter. Oh, that's called at the corner. So, ask Angel, is there an angel inside the shop? Or is a beauty shop, man? Beauty Vivi. What a long name. There's a nice machine. I think they do some facial there. And there's a woman's clinic at the corner. Indian barber shop. Caring skin. So they care for your skin. What's this? Xian Lights. Look at the two statues. Happy diners. Okay, we have a Italian pasta restaurant right here called Caesarea. So this area is mixed. They have the spa and they have the restaurants. Wow, we have an Indian restaurant, Kumaris. You know, opposite is a big car park, and on the right side is a stadium. You pay $2.50 to go to the gym. It's unlimited access for that day, you know. And there's badminton court as well and a basketball court. Wow, you know, the outside it just looks so colorful, man, and retro. I think they revamped and they put some painting on it already. This is the Active Edgy Clementi Sports Center, which I mentioned. You can get go inside the gym with lots of facilities, dumbbells, cardio for just $2.50. There's a lot of running machines at the corner. Let's check it out. What's inside? Oh, it's a sport paradise here, right here. They play badminton and table tennis for the kids at the corner. Look at all these small basketball hoops. Anyone can slam dunk. And you can see the gym from here. It's just in front. You know, the windows, they are having their treadmill sessions. The gym is actually over that side. That door over there. There's a TCM here. I used to come here for one time, the cupping. It cost $50, but I think now the price has increased, and there's cupping there to maybe $80. You know, the United Pawn Shop looks cool. Oh, you can learn twin here, diploma in TCM twin. Full time 6 months and part time 15 months. And they say the salary is like $6,000 a month. Wow, that's nice. There's career path as cell therapy, senior therapy, and trainer. I think it looks nice. I mean, it sounds good. So it's right here, the Ma Guang Zhongyi. You know, TCM is a big business nowadays. Many people have some kind of illness, right? So they want to find some cure. And they believe in Singapore, we live in TCM, especially elderly people. They think that they trust TCM, that they will solve their problems, their health stuff. I can't believe there's a cobble in the middle of the Clementi right now. It's nice, man. Green Bay Beauty Art. Oh, there's some nice museum stuff, goods here. I was thinking, where's the durian? You know, in Clementi there are durian sellers. Maybe they're standing in front. And here we have reached the 448 Clementi Market Hawker Center right here. It's just incredible. All the smell, the aroma of the food, it's It's just in the air, man. Now it's raining, so but I know Singaporeans, they eat any time of the day, any time of the year, any time of the month. I'm at Block 448 Hawker Center right here. There's some nice fruit juice and the fruit right there, over there. Sugar cane. There's a queue in front, man. Not sure what they sell. Oh, it's a yu tang, song yu tang with the fish soup. Wow, look at that. Over 10 people queuing. And there's another queue here for the tea hop hor fun. The Huang Pu Tou Wai in front, one bowl soya bean. Nasi lemak, $3. We have another chicken store right here. This is less popular, but okay lah, got a few customers. There's a hawker center just directly opposite the Block 448 market. Hawker center, it's called Bistro 8. Nice, no? Wow. Let's see what they have here. Ipoh clay pot. Bali xiang bee hoon. Wow, Chai Hong Kong style roasted delight. Wow. Spicy mala hot pot. Korean cuisine and ramen xiaolong bao. Liang tofu. Alright, I'm back to the central of Clementi. After that little tour of the Block 448 Market and Food Center as well as the 321 Mall. And this area full of shops, you know, the Mei Zhen Xiang, the BBQ pork, the Bata shoe, and there's some kind of handphone shop here. This is a new shop, World Tea House. Bio Bro. You can do lots of like the eyebrow stuff here. The Korea 60. Wow, there's even permanent hair removal and stuff. You know, Singapore has a concept of the heatiness. So they're selling the herbal drinks to balance out whatever spicy food you have eaten. Wow, lots of budget shop here. Some nice looking bagua right here of the fragrance shop. And Clementi in this stretch, there are a lot of handphone shops. I counted at least 10. But they actually buy and sell second-hand handphones, not the first-hand type. Haircut, $6.10. And also lots of bakery right here, baker talent. You know what's around this in this area because I visited a dentist for some treatment on my teeth. And it's located just at the Community Central Block 450. IT, we have the IT here. Looks nice. More handphone shops, you can't believe it, man. If you want to buy second handphones, you come here. As well as the SIM card. Something 15, bread tong is 18. They actually cut already, and this one is the jackfruit. Well, this area, these shoppers came down from the Clementi Mall. And around here, there's a lot of shops, beauty shops, whatever, spa and salon. And there's a Clementi bus interchange right here going to different parts of the island. Seriously, I didn't know that the head can be gua sha, man. News and Beauty Square. Oh, there's a kopitiam at the corner. A nice shop called Vivian Xia. They sell some kind of luggage here. Men's cut. Giordano, very old brand, man. Giordano. Own days, a face shop. There's some kind of budget buys, budget games here. Everyone's, lots of people are trying to buy their stuff, choosing $99. Many shop for $16.90 and $13.90. There's a nice decathlon shop here, selling sporting products. And this mall is just linked to the MRT, you know. It's just so convenient. But I guess most of the malls now they link to the MRT. If not, they'll be in a disadvantage. Oh, Crystal J, the corner. It's a bit dark. They should install some lights at the walkway from here to the Clementi MRT. Alright, these are the HDB neighborhood where more than 80% of Singaporeans stay, public housing, but the price is not cheap, man. You know, next to the MRT, right? Just within 1 minute walk, about 327, 328. The price can reach over 450 Singapore dollars I mean, 450,000 Singapore dollars for a 3-room HDB flat. That means 1 living room and 2 bedrooms. I'm going for some TCM treatment. My back pains, hurts. It's called Public Free Clinic Society, but it's not free. You need to pay consultation and the medicine for it. So I'll just show you guys. And the queue may be long. The uncle auntie really sitting outside. Oh man, let's go. So I think Clementi is a nice area to stay in. Oh, just discovered somebody put some amulet sticker there. Oh, I was about to conclude this video. Oh, 观音灵符啊，健康平安，财源广进，解厄消灾。Wow, it's an eye opener for me today at Clementi because there are lots of interesting stuff, be it the shops, restaurants, the malls, the HDB. You know, there's a playground here, and I think they sell some features there. You know, at the corner, you know the colorful shops there. They sell some small fish. But one thing is, this area very dark. I wish there are more street lamps and lots of trees. So, and bicycles. So I think Clementi is well known for their small fishes. I'm gonna take a look before I end the video. I just ended my acupuncture with the Public Free Clinic Society. Wow, my legs feel a bit sore. You know, when they go in, right? The needles go in, and the physician, or they call the 医师 in Chinese, will ask you, 有酸吗? So 酸 means sour, but 有酸吗 means, actually it means it is sour, and actually it means that, do you feel pain? Do you feel like sour feeling in the area where the needles were put into the skin? So if there's 酸, right? There's a sour, that means it's good. That means there's effect. So anyway, there's a kopitiam here called, I don't know, and then it's block 328 Clementi Avenue 2. Is they have Geylang Lorong 9 fresh chicken. No, it's a fresh frog meat. Nasi pandang. And not only that, right? This neighborhood, I think I saw a lot of fish shop selling small fish at the corner. They have quite a sharp eyes. And around here, they have these very cute shop houses. Level 2, 3, 4, and level 1, there are some clinics. And of course, the small fishes. About 327 is on the left side. Let's go in, let's go. There's one TCM shop here. 康德医疗中心. No, it's actually a medical center. And this mini mart, Kang Song, it seems like from Myanmar. The wording, oh, aquarium, you know. They are about to close now, 9-10 p.m. They sell lots of stuff here. Look at the wormy worms and the crickets. Small fishes. Very cute, right? If you need a place to find pet fish, come here. Oh, is there a stingray or something? Lots and lots of small fish. Oh, they raised price. On the cricket become $6. Or maybe there's an error. It's still $2.50 here. And some of the plants. And at the corner, right, there's another fish shop. So I counted the 4 fish shop. What is this, man? King potato where? I weigh. It seems that there's a the Yema mini shop has came to Singapore. And the hello, the word for hello is Mingalaba. It means hello in the Yema Burmese. This is Arowana Avenue. There are more fishes here. And then, if I'm not wrong, there should be a kopitiam somewhere here again. Clementi a lot of kopitiam. Now on the left side, I saw it. But there seem to be not much customer, and the store seems to be closed now. Only one store, chicken rice, is open at block 325, Clementi Avenue 5, and here they call it the Clementi Zone 3. You know, the resident community under People's Association. And that side, you have to walk across the car park. You can reach the Sing Song, about 3-5 something. And it's too far, man. I'm not going. I think this side is very quiet. You'll get a peaceful night of sleep if you stay around here, Block 332, Clementi Avenue 2, or even at the shop house here. If you stay at second floor, right? You know, the kopitiam now is like not much business at 9:15 p.m. on a weekday night. And Block 326 at the corner, all these places, right? 326, 327, 325, 332. It's very near the Clementi MRT station. You can just walk like literally 6 to 8 minutes walk, and you can, if you run, right, it takes you like 2 to 3 minutes. I'm just admiring the beauty for a while. But it's a bit dark, especially the car park side. And that side is also quite dark. I'm curious, over there, is there any like playground? Let's check it out. Clementi. The Chinese name is Jingwen Pai. There are also like places of worship here, like there's a temple, you know. And there's a Clementi fire station and an ITE nearby. Oh, that's a playground. And these hanging poles for laundry are the new types of the laundry pole. Last time it was like bamboo bowls. You can ask any Singaporean's mother. I just feel, how is it like staying in this kind of short house? It's like one level, right? There are so many units. 1, 2, 3, 4. What? Over 20 units in one level, no? It can be noisy. But then once again, they may not be, they don't have any lift. So you can come down, you can just run down the staircase. Literally, like over there. There shouldn't be any lift. Then here is very auspicious number 333. Here is getting more and more quiet, man. And there's another kopitiam over there. Called Fatty something. Fatty Yum Bum. What a name. I just saw somebody's umbrella perched at the second level. This kopitiam here, it seems very crowded, more crowded than the one at the left side. What a name, Fatty Bom Bom. Oh, that is just the name of one store. They sell the Western food, chicken burger, pasta, and they sell the CDC voucher. Only one store is open, or 2 stores, 3 stores, and the drink store.